So what's up? It's Mr. Trader. Hey, we got something good going on today in the market, and we're going to take a peek at them and see what happened. First, we're going to look at Meta slash Facebook. Get it opened up. Uh, Still acting up. Don't know why, but you see it opened up and it just dropped. Didn't. And then it tried to recover, then bounced back off of. I wonder why it's showing a percent over here. Might fix that. Showing the percent. I don't know why. So you see, I don't know why it's doing that. So bounce, try to bounce off, try to recover again, and then for the rest of the day, it just dropped. So let's go the other way, the other way. So yeah, that's Meta. I don't care for that one. Not today. Here's Apple. I think Apple has earnings today. Pretty sure. I'm not for sure. It's been a while since I've really been looking at the market. Uh, uh, Dividends are 24 cents. Nice. So they had earnings at 5 o'clock. So their earnings is 1.438. Hmm, not bad. Not bad at all. Not bad. And you see from opening, it's kind of small movement, up and down, up and down. And then finally, it just started trying to go crazy, crazy. And then, boom, that must that must have been right after the earnings. It jumped all the way to 771. All right, let's see about the option on Apple. Uh, nice volume on it. So it opened at 78 cents. It went to high of $1.34 on the strike. 172.50. Not bad. What about the put side? Really nothing really on the put side. Got a lot of volume over there, but nothing really too fancy. All right, let's go back to charts. Tesla. I'm not even going to look at Tesla. Let's look at Shop. Shop's the one that caught my eye today. I mean, look at that monster. Boom. All the way to 59.82 for the high. I mean, it just opened. And the Shop had earnings today. I think right before market open. Yep. 6:01 before the market opened. That's the reason. And then it just kind of tapered off a little bit. That's all right. It happens. Let's see what kind of trade we would have took with this one. So, I mean, you could have done either one. Could have done 57 call or the 58 call. Either one of them looks pretty good. Uh, the 58 call, it opened at 34 dollars, and it ran all the way up to $252. That's a nice little run from a little pocket change. Not bad. I mean, even look right here. Open at, 10 cents, $10. Open up at $10 and ran all the way to $95. That's that's 85. That's 80 pro $80 profit, $85 profit, whatever you want to call it. A nice little profit. All right, let's go back. I'm not going to be very long today. Um, I did add a few more on my chart. Um, all right, let's take a look at Netflix. Come on. Every time I record it lags. But I mean, Netflix had earnings today. Believe no. But I mean, look, it kind of opened, up and down, up and down. I didn't got that long candle right there. That wick is long. Then it dropped. Then it came back up. And it try held. Tried to hold its position in here, but it just couldn't do it, and it dropped. And it bounced off of here, off this line. Trust me, I'll get this. I'll get these fixed over here. But yeah, it bounced off of that, and it went right back up. So if we look, that is 1.67% right there. It almost got back to the top at 1.77%, but it just couldn't hold it, couldn't break it. So let's take a look at the trade on this. Now this is shop. What chart are we looking at? Netflix. I'll link it. My links are not working. There we go. Puts I didn't really move too well. And prices. I mean, because look, this one opened at, $5.35, $535. It opened there, but the high of it was only 550. Hardly any move in the, for in the money. What we got over here on the call side? I mean, that one ain't bad. I mean, not really, because the chart was showing it was bouncing up and down so much. It didn't really have a steady uptrend or a steady downtrend. It was just bouncing around. So you couldn't really make a decent, trade on that. I mean, you could scalp it and get a good trade, but scalping is, you get caught scalping, that could, flag you as a day trader if you don't have, necessary funds in the account for a day trader. It requires $25,000 in the account for a day trader. So yeah, let me get back. So how many? That's all we got for the day. I guess. This at my list. I got Apple, Netflix, Overstock.com, SPY, Microsoft, Nike, Rad, T, Inc., Hood, Roblox, AGG. It did have Twitter, but Twitter's so delisted, or it's under a new listing. But I never tried to go look it back up, so I ain't worried about it. And then we got NBCB, and then Amazon, Meta, and then NVDA, Tesla, Shop, and Chipotle. Chipotle, man, Chipotle was my favorite stock back in the day. My God. Here, let's take a look at it. It's down $24, $24.61. That's a heck of a drop. Hell, they don't even put my red line on here. Yeah, major drop. Boom. Major drop. Let's go take a look at the option chain on that. Change that. CMG. Wait for the data to load up. So far in the money. Is it really trading at $2,000? 2,000? Sorry. Wow. Guys, I'm telling you, when I was trading Chipotle back in the day, it was trading anywhere from $300 and $600. I think at one time it topped maybe 800 at one time. So yeah, it's crazy. It's crazy how you quit trading for a while and you come back and you just getting yourself refreshed to get back in it, and you're just studying everything, just make sure what you had working for you in the past, you know now just trying to make sure everything's still working the same, even though the software's been updated, the Thinkorswim's been updated. I gotta make sure that my codes and stuff is still working great with it. So man, it's crazy. Damn, all the money. So if you want to play Chipotle, if you don't have the capital, the big capital to be trading it, look at that. That's that's a 2070 strike price. So this ain't bad. So like the 2025 strike price on the put side, it opened up at $310. Just one contract, $310, and it ran all the way up to $900. I mean, that's not bad. But that who, there's people out there who will buy one contract and do that. See, this is 1970. Ooh, 1970. Back in the day. Chipotle wasn't even around in 1970. And your big stocks back in 1970, believe it or not, it was Coke. Um, let's see, Coke. I don't think Microsoft or Apple didn't go live till like 1976, somewhere in that area. So I mean, Coke was the big boy stock back in the day, back in the 70s. Warren Buffett, that's his favorite stock. I'll get back on track. 1970 strike price on the put side. It opened at $75 and it ran all the way to $1.05. That's not bad. But look at the volume on it. The volume was only 113. That's only how many contracts were bought and sold. Very little. But I mean, it still had a nice little money increase. Well, that's all I got for today, guys. I appreciate you watching. All these videos, they're just educational. You know, kind of give you an idea. There's a lot of things you can do with the market. I mean, hell, you could short a stock now. Back in the day, you couldn't short. You know, they got all these new deals out, and if you're trying to, want to learn a little more about it, once you just jump, and I don't get nothing from this. You know, just jump over to TDA Ameritrade and um, have them send you an education book. They'll send it to you for free, and sit there and study it. You even go to your local library, look it up. But that's all I got for the day. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Yeah, leave a comment. Tell me what kind of stock you want to look at. I'll pull it up and we'll see what it does. And I'll watch it for a few days and see what it does. But I thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later. Have a good evening.